This is the biggest opportunity to invest in Japanese stocks that I've seen in years. Did you know that the Japanese stock market just experienced its biggest drop ever? We're talking about a staggering decline that sent shockwaves through the entire global economy. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the recent crash of the Japanese stock market. This is a huge deal not just for Japan but for investors around the world. So, let's unpack what happened and what it could mean for the global markets moving forward. So, what actually triggered this massive drop? Well, a combination of factors has come into play. First up, we have rising inflation rates, which have been squeezing consumers and businesses alike. Investors were already on edge, but then we saw significant interest rate hikes from the Bank of Japan. This made borrowing more expensive and pulled a lot of money out of the markets. Plus, there's been a lot of uncertainty surrounding global trade, especially with ongoing tensions in various regions. All of this has created a perfect storm, leaving investors scrambling and the economy facing serious challenges. Let's dig a little deeper into what's been going on. The economic indicators have not been looking great. We've seen declining industrial production numbers and weaker consumer spending, which are red flags for any economy. On top of that, political events, such as changes in government policies and international relations, have added more fuel to the fire. Market sentiment has taken a nosedive too. Investors are feeling nervous and uncertain, leading to panic selling. When you combine all these elements, it's no wonder we saw such a dramatic drop in the stock market. Now, let's talk about the moment that really shook things up. The market hit its lowest point at around 2:30 p.m. Tokyo time, with the Nikkei 225 index dropping more than 1,500 points in just a few hours. Can you imagine being an investor watching your portfolio plummet that quickly? The reactions were intense, analysts were scrambling to make sense of it, and social media lit up with panic and speculation. It was a moment that many will remember for years to come, as it signified a serious turning point in market confidence. So, what does all of this mean for the future? The Japanese stock market crash serves as a warning sign for global investors. It highlights how interconnected our economies are and how quickly things can change. We'll need to keep an eye on economic indicators and political developments in the coming weeks to get a clearer picture of where things are headed. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the Japanese stock market crash? Do you think it's a sign of more trouble to come, or will the markets bounce back? Drop your comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on market trends. Until next time, take care.